Register and Terry Broadhurst. Those two battled against each other growing up. Different AAA youth opportunities. And a wraparound try by Broadhurst, turned away by Helberg. Frazier after it. Chip to the point. Brodeur over. Regner an opening. Cuts to the slot. Forces it free to Brodeur. Tees it up back door. And a tip just wide. Arvidsson carries in. And the shot didn't get through. Sova on net. He tipped it wide. First penalty call of the game coming up against the Wolves. Looks like Jake Chelios the guilty party. Pasculo rip. Stop. Pennington. Rebound. Loose. And Pennington covers. Up top for Ian White. Walking the blue line. Work back to the left side. Quick release. Stopped by Pennington. Rebound for Sissons. And Pennington holds his ground. And the puck squirts loose. Now a chance. Oh, Jeff Pennington. And then another hot while the goal light comes on. We heard an early whistle from Jared Ragus and the referee.
And no goal. I thought that was the case, and that is the rule. I mean, if the goalie has the puck underneath him and you come in and pitchfork and push him into the net, it's going to be no goal.
Here comes Butters, 2-on-1, pass on in front. Harper shoots, he scores! Shane Harper has gone streaking. 3 straight games with a goal. Grabs control once again. Salomaki to Ian White. Minute gone by in the man advantage. Is a one-timer turned away by Pennington. Oh, a quick release there on the one-timer by Salomaki. Transition the other way. Ty Ratty looks, shoots, and it's fought off by Helberg. Pinching to try to hold the zone. There's Register, and there's shorthanded chance here for Austin Watson. Drive, shoots, and Pennington got enough of it to steer it away. Back to Regner. Regner and Chelios, the D pairing as Chelios takes control. Chelios 7 assists on the man advantage. McRae down low. Welsh scores! A tough angle shot. Cues in. Jeremy Welsh. Regner has it now. Walks in. Between the rings. Scores! Now out in front, backhand tie, he scores! A spinorama! And Ty Ratty has 15 goals on the year.
Wow, that's a beauty.
Knocked out to center, beats through a nice check. Austin Watson has it. And Dens on the follow-up will carry deep. Sova watches defensively, the pass with a tough angle, to the save. Salomaki the rebound scores.
It's a big goal with 1:49 remaining.
McRae gets to it first. Puck control here for the Wolves. And now McRae lets it rip. He scores! Off the glove, through the glove. It's in.
I'd check my glove too if I was Helberg. I think the turkey took all the stuffing and left his glove empty.
Register to Hockenpah. Back to Register. Over to Frazier. Frazier cuts in. Backdoor play. Ends up. And they score! Eager or Beach. Both were in the area. It was off of Eager and might have hit Beach. 20 seconds to go in this one. Welsh in front of his netminder. Clears to the line, but not out. Kept in. They score. Jordan Binnington, another game where he holds his opponents to 2 goals or less.